No, we shall start with the new unit, integration by parts. Integration by parts. Now in this we have two functions, that is u and v dash, which are functions of x. So integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash. So now this u dash is a differential coefficient of u with respect to x, whereas v is the integration of v dash with respect to x. Now therefore, rule, we have to follow certain rule. Here it is Layet. Layet means logarithm, I is the inverse function, a is the algebraic function, t is trigonometric function, and e is the exponential function. Now here, which to select u is the priority now. Now in any case, if two functions are there, we have to select which one first. Suppose if it is logarithm and inverse. If the function is the multiplication of logarithm and inverse, then you have to select logarithm as u. Suppose if it is inverse and algebra, then you have to select inverse as the u. If it is algebra and trigonometry, you have to select algebra as the u. And if it is trigonometry and exponential, you have to select a trigonometric function as the u. So this is the rule we are going to follow in solving this problem. See, this uv dash, we are going to solve this problem. Now, for the example, we are going to take one problem. See, here we have written x sin x dx. X sin x dx. You can see here, it is algebra and trigonometry. Algebra and trigonometry. You have to select algebra as the u. Which one comes first? You have to select that algebra as u. Therefore, u is equal to x and v dash is equal to sin x. I am going to select. So, integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash. Are you following? So therefore, this is equal to u. U is what here? X. I have selected. Now, v is equal to integral sin x dx. So sin x dx is minus cos x. Minus cos x. Therefore, you write v, we will write as it is minus cos x minus integral vu dash minus cos x into the u dash is differential coefficient of x with respect to x is 1. Therefore, into 1 into dx. Therefore, this is equal to minus x cos x minus into minus plus integral cos x is sin x plus c. This is the answer for this problem. Now similar case with the second problem we will see now. Integral x sin 3x dx. Here also algebra and trigonometry. Algebra and trigonometry means, so you have to keep u is equal to x and v dash is equal to sin 3x. Therefore, u dash is equal to 1, v is equal to integral sin 3x dx, which is nothing but minus 1 by 3 cos 3x, because sin ax plus b is nothing but minus 1 over a cos ax plus b. In that fashion, we have written this. Now therefore, now what is the formula we are going to use? Integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash into dx. Vu dash into dx. Now, integral uv dash, we know u v dash, this is a problem, is equal to uv. U is what? X. V is minus 1 by 3 cos 3x minus integral vu dash. Integral vu dash is minus 1 by 3 cos 3x into 1 into dx, because u dash is 1 here, therefore that we have substituted here. Okay. Now this is equal to minus 1 by 3 x cos 3x, minus 1 by 3 x cos 3x, minus into minus is plus 1 by 3. Now integral cos 3x dx, again it is 1 by 3 sin 3x. So this is equal to minus 1 by 3 x cos 3x plus 1 by 9 sin 3x plus c. So this is the answer for this. See here, this is a particular case of algebra and exponential. So algebra exponential means first you have to take u as x square and v dash as e to the power of x. Therefore, integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash into dx. So therefore, u dash is equal to, here u dash is equal to 2x. Differentiation of x square is 2x and v is equal to integral e to the power of x dx, which is nothing but e to the power of x itself. So v. Therefore what happens here? This u is x square. U is x square. Now v dash v is what? E to the power of x. X square e to the power of x minus integral vu dash. V is e to the power of x into 2x dx, because u dash is 2x into dx. Now this is equal to x square e to the power of x minus 2 integral x e to the power of x dx. See again here another multiplication of two functions. See, algebra and exponential. So I have to take u as here u, x as, I am taking it as u, this as v dash, e to the power of x as v dash. Therefore your problem becomes now e to the x square e to the power of x minus 2. Now u is x, v dash uv is e to the power of x, because e to the power of x here written is x e to the power of x minus integral. Now vu dash, v is what here? E to the power of x into, what is u dash here? Here u dash is 1 into dx. U dash is 1. So now close the bracket. Now this is equal to x square e to the power of x minus 2x e to the power of x minus into minus plus. Now integral e to the power of x dx is what? E to the power of x itself. So write e to the power of x. Now what is common among this? E to the power of x is common. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus c is the answer for this. Now in this problem, in case of Layat, logarithms comes first, algebra comes next. Therefore, in case of this, you have to take u as log x and v dash as x. Because in case of Layat, logarithm comes first. Therefore, you have to take log x and v dash as x. Now, what is u dash? Differential coefficient of d log x dx is 1 by x. Now, v is equal to x square by 2. This is integration of x into dx. So, this is nothing but x square by 2x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. We get this. Now therefore, integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash into dx. You can see here. Now this u is what? Log x into what is v? It is x square by 2. It is x square by 2 minus integral v is what? X square by 2 u dash is 1 by x. I will write here 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. Now this x and this x cancel. Now this is equal to, we will write like this, x square by 2 log x minus half into x into dx. Because x is left over here, half I have taken out, x into dx. Now this x square by 2 log x minus half into, again this is x square by 2. So this is equal to x square by 2 log x minus 1 by 4 x square. 1 by 4 x square plus c. So this is the answer for the particular problem. This is the answer for the particular problem. Now we shall start with another problem. Here you can see, according to Layet, algebra comes first, trigonometry comes next. LIA inverse function it is. See, LI, you can write here LIATE. That means to say inverse comes first, algebra comes next. Therefore, which one you have to select? U is equal to, which one you have to select? Inverse. So sine inverse x. Are you following here? See, in case of I, inverse and algebraic function, algebra comes next, inverse comes first. Therefore, sine inverse x we have selected as u. Next, v dash as x. V dash as x. Now, therefore, integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash into dx. That you don't forget, right? So now, this is equal to u is what? U is sine inverse x into, now here v is equal to integral x dx, which is equal to x square by 2. X square by 2. Now here u dash we have to write, u dash is equal to 1 over root of 1 minus x square, because differentiation of sine inverse x with respect to x is 1 over root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, v is what? X square by 2. I am going to write it as x square by 2 uv minus integral v is what? X square by 2, x square by 2 into 1 over root of 1 minus x square into dx, because v u dash. This is the one. Have you understood here? So now this is equal to x square by 2 sine inverse x minus of integral x square by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now what we are going to do here, x square by 2 sine inverse x minus of, you just see this adjustment you have to make here. See, 1 minus of 1 minus x square plus 1. See this, we are going to make this adjustment here, divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx. See this, you can see here 1 minus 1 cancels, minus into minus plus x square by root of 1 minus x square. Now I will do like this, of integral 1 over root of 1 minus x square into dx. I am doing it like this, splitting it like this, minus integral 1 minus x square can be written as root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus x square divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx. This adjustment I have made. Because 1 minus x square, 1 minus, you will get 1 minus x square only. Now this and this gets cancelled. Therefore this is equal to of minus of, this is nothing but sine inverse x, because root of a square minus x square is sine inverse x by a, that is sine inverse x, minus, now this is nothing but here root of 1 minus x square, root of 1 minus x square is nothing but a square by 2, that is 1 by 2 root of 1 minus x square minus sine inverse x, sine inverse x. Now we will do it like this, only for this, because, so what is the answer here? X square by 2 sine inverse x minus of sine inverse x, minus into minus plus, I am multiplying it, 1/4 root of 1 minus x square minus of sine inverse x. So this is the answer for this problem. Now in this case we have logarithm as u and algebra as v dash. So u is equal to log x, I am going to take v dash as x square plus 1. Now what is u dash here is equal to, it is 1 over x. Differentiation of d log x by dx is 1 over x. Integral v dash, here it is v is equal to x cubed by 3 plus x, because 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, that is x cubed by 3 plus integral of 1 is this. Now we will see now, integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash into dx. So u is what? Log x. See, uv x cubed by 3 plus x into log x minus integral v is x cubed by 3 plus x into u dash is 1 by x. See, 1 by x into dx. Now this is equal to x cubed by 3 plus x into log x minus, now I am going to take x as common here, x into x square by 3 plus 1 into 1 by x dx. Are you following here? See, you can see here, I have taken x common, x square by 3, x into x square is x cube, x into 1 is x, you get. So now this x and this x get cancelled. So therefore, ultimately what you get, x cube by 3 plus x into log x minus, now integrate this separately, 1 by 3 x cube by 3 into 3, already 3 is there, when you integrate x square it will be x cube by 3 plus x, so this is separate, plus c, that is x cube by 3 plus x into log x minus x cube by 9 plus x plus c. So this is the answer for this problem. So we'll mark this. This is the answer for this problem. So in the seventh problem here, we have three functions you can see here. X cos inverse x divided by root of 1 minus x square dx. Altogether there must be two functions here. See here what I am going to do now. I will first solve this. Put cos inverse x is equal to t. Differentiate both sides. D cos inverse x divided by dx is equal to dt by dx. I am differentiating both sides with respect to x. Now this is nothing but minus 1 over root of 1 minus x square is equal to dt by dx, because the formula of differentiation of cos inverse x with respect to x is minus 1 over root of 1 minus x square is equal to dt by dx. Or I will take this to this side, dx by root of 1 minus x square is equal to minus dt. I will transfer this negative sign to this side. So it becomes minus dt. Now what happens here? Now here you can see when cos inverse x is equal to t, x will be equal to cos t. Will you agree? When cos inverse x is equal to t, x will become cos t. Now therefore the real problem becomes like this. X is equal to what here? It is cos t. Following here, cos t. Next, cos inverse x is dx by root of 1 minus x square becomes what? It is minus dt. Into, what about cos inverse x? What we have kept here? It is t. Therefore, now problem becomes like this, minus, I have taken out t cos t dt. Now is it not the function, two functions here? Now what we are going to do, we will do it here, we will transfer this integral minus t cos t dt, I am transferring it here. Now apply Lyatt, if we apply, what happens? LIATE, that means algebra comes first, next trigonometry comes next. Therefore, we keep u is equal to t and v dash is equal to cos t. Therefore, what happens to this? U dash is equal to 1 and v becomes, it is sin t, because integration of cos t with respect to t is sin t. Therefore, now we will see the problem. Integral t cos t is equal to dt is equal to uv t sin t minus integral vu dash, v is sin t, u dash is 1 into dt. Now this is equal to what happens? Minus of t sin t minus integration of sin t with respect to t is cos t. Now remove the bracket now, minus t sin t, minus into minus, it is plus, So integration of cos sin t is cos t. Integration of sin t is cos t. Therefore, it becomes minus into minus, it becomes plus cos t. I am sorry, it is minus and we are going to write it as minus. So integration of sin t is minus cos t, minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. So this is how problem goes. Now therefore, what happens here, main problem is instead of t we are going to substitute minus t is what? Cos inverse x. Sin of t is cos inverse x into how much it is? T sin t. It is t sin t. No? Therefore, we will write like this. 1 minute. We will make an adjustment here. I will do it here. Minus t root of 1 minus cos square t I will write. Sin t minus cos t. We will write like this. Now minus t root of what is cos t is equal to x square. 1 minus x square minus cos t is what? It is x. For t you are going to substitute minus root of 1 minus x square cos inverse x minus x. So problem is, answer is, this is the answer for this problem. In this problem, since only log x is there, we will write problem like this: 1 into log x dx. So now log x, we take it as u and this as v dash. So therefore, vu is equal to log x, v dash is equal to 1. Therefore, u dash is equal to 1 over x. Differentiation of log x with respect to x is 1 by x. Integration of v dash is x. Therefore, what happens here? Integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash into dx. Now, this is equal to u is what? Log x. X log x. Because v dash is x and v is x. Here we have to write v is equal to x. So uv x log x minus integral v is what? X. U dash is 1 by x into dx. Now this x and this x cancel. Therefore, x log x minus integral x dx is x. Therefore, take common x. It becomes log x minus 1. So therefore, this is the answer for this problem. See this ninth problem, integral x log x whole square into dx. This is a typical problem here. See, here you have to keep x log x whole square into dx. You make this adjustment here. You see, x square into log x whole square into 1 by x. This adjustment I have made. X square, x cancel, only x you get. This adjustment I have made here. And dx. Now I am going to put log x to the base e is equal to t. That is 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx is equal to dt. I have written. Now x is equal to e to the power of t. X is equal to e to the power of t. That adjustment we have made here. X is equal to e to the power of t whole square into log x is equal to what we have kept? T square dt. Now here integral t square e to the power of 2t dt. Now we can see always algebra is the first term, Therefore, we are going to keep u is equal to t square, v dash is equal to e to the power of 2t, u dash is 2t, v is equal to half integration of e to the power of 2t is half of e to the power of 2t. Now that formula we are going to apply. Integral uv dash is equal to uv minus integral vu dash dt. Now what is u? U is t square into v is half e to the power of 2t, we have written here, minus integral vu dash of e to the power of 2t into u dash is what? Differentiation of t square is 2t. So that we have written here, dt. Now this 2 and 2 get cancelled. Therefore, of t square e to the power of 2t minus integral t e to the power of 2t dt. See, once again, this becomes, t becomes u dash is 1, e to the power of 2t we have kept it as v dash, and v is equal to half e to the power of 2t. Now here once again I have done here, t uv minus vu dash. uv is t, v is half e to the power of 2t minus half into integral e to the power of 2t dt, because t u dash is 1. Therefore, half t square e to the power of 2t minus half t e to the power of 2t. See here, minus into minus plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 e to the power of 2t. That is 1/4 e to the power of 2t. Now the answer we are going to transfer here. I have taken half e to the power of 2t. You can see in all this e to the power of 2t is common. We have taken that e to the power of 2t. Now e to the power of 2t is equal to x square. E to the power of t is x. E to the power of 2t is x square. That half of x square into what is t? We have kept here log x. So log x whole square minus log x plus half plus c. So this is the answer for this problem. So here only the typical, it is a typical problem. Please bear it in mind. This is very important problem. Now we shall start with this 10th problem, integral tan inverse x dx. Now before algebra, inverse is coming. Therefore, we are taking tan inverse x as u and v dash as 1. Therefore, v is equal to integral of 1 into dx is x, and u dash is integral d tan inverse x by dx. Differentiation of tan inverse x with respect to x is 1 over 1 plus x square. Therefore, integral uv dash is equal to uv minus vu dash into dx. Therefore, u is what? Tan inverse x. V is what? It is x. So, x tan inverse x minus integral v is x divided by u dash is 1 over 1 plus x square into dx. Now, this is equal to x tan inverse x minus this integral I have kept it as I. Now, I am going to do it separately. I is equal to integral x over 1 plus x square dx. Now this 1 plus x square I am keeping it as t. 2x dx is equal to dt. X dx is equal to dt by 2. That is half of integral dt by t, which is nothing but half of log t, this one. So that is equal to half of log of t is equal to what we have kept here? 1 plus x square. So log of 1 plus x square. Therefore, total integral tan inverse x dx is equal to this x tan inverse x I have written here minus I how much we got here? Half log 1 plus x square I have written here plus c. That is the answer for this problem.